हाय एवरीवन। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं नेक्स्ट पार्ट नंबर 6, क्वेश्चन ऑन एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ डाइजेस्टिव प्रोडक्ट। Absorption is the process by which the end products of the digestion pass through the dash into the blood or lymph. Answer is intestinal mucosa. Next, absorption is carried out by passive, active or dash transport mechanism. Answer is facilitated. Next, a small amount of monosaccharides like glucose, amino acids and some electrolytes like chloride ions are generally absorbed by dash. Answer is simple diffusion. The passage of these substances into the blood depend upon the answer concentration gradient. Some substances like glucose and amino acids are absorbed with the help of carrier protein. This mechanism is called the dash. Answer is facilitated transport. Next, transport of water depends upon the answer osmotic gradient. Next, active transport occurs the dash concentration gradient and hence requires energy. Answer is against. Next, various nutrients like amino acid, monosaccharides like glucose, electrolytes like Na positive are absorbed into the blood by dash mechanism. Answer active transport. Next, fatty acids and glycerol being insoluble cannot be absorbed into the blood. They are first incorporated into small drops called which move into the intestinal mucosa. They are reformed into a very small protein coated for globules called the dash which are transported into the lymph vessel in the villi. Answer is micelles chylomicron. The dash ultimately release the absorbed substances into the bloodstream. Answer is lymph vessels. Next, dash of substances take place in different part of the alimentary canal like mouth, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. Answer absorption. Maximum absorption occur in the dash. Answer small intestine. Next, the absorbed substances finally reach the tissues which utilize them for their activities. This process is called dash. Answer assimilation. Next, the digestive waste solidify into coherent feces in the rectum, initiate a dash causing an urge or desire for its removal. Answer a neural reflex. The ejection of feces to the outside through the anal opening, a voluntary process, is carried out by a mass dash. Answer a peristaltic movement. In mouth, certain dash coming in contact with the mucosa of mouth and lower side of the tongue are absorbed into the blood capillaries lining them. Answer a drugs. Next, in dash, absorption of water, simple sugar and alcohol etc take place. Answer is stomach. Next, dash is principal organ for absorption of nutrients. The digestion is completed here and the final product of digestion such as glucose, fructose, fatty acids, glycerol and amino acids are absorbed. Answer is small intestine. In dash, absorption of water, some minerals and drugs takes place. Answer is large intestines. Large